Hello, I'm Chris, in case you don't know. In the interest of getting kids off screens for 2 seconds and bringing families together, I invented a board game. And it is launching on Kickstarter pretty soon. And it is called Astro Buds Space Adventure Board Game. It is the space adventure board game that takes the party off planet. So I just wanted to show you a couple of things. It comes with, the game pieces are 4 rockets, pink, white, blue, and black. And 2 dice. If you roll doubles, you get to go again. And it comes with game cards. And I'll talk more about that in a second. So this one is Space Cats overtake your ship during a fuel stop, lose 90 stars. The stars are points. So that's a not so great one. And then this one is after being stuck for weeks, you engineer a new launch system to escape a hostile planet. And you gather a bunch of stars, which are the points. And so there's 22 of those game cards included, and then here's the game board, and it's 6 inches by 12 inches, and it doesn't fold. It's just like travel size, but very colorful. So you start on Earth and you go through exploring the magic moons. And if you land on a gold portal, you get bonus points and you get to pull a game card. And once any player has 1,000 stars, then the epic space race to Earth is on. So once you have 1,000 stars wherever you are, then you have to land back on Earth directly so that you win the game. So it's been pretty fun to test, and designing it has been amazing and fun. And it started just as a simple sketch like 16 months ago, and here we go. So if it's of interest to you, there'll be a link where you can check it out. The Kickstarter is going to be launching soon if it hasn't already, and I would love to share it with you. So thanks.